Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your cabin air filter in your 2014 Toyota Highlander. So the cabin air filter, or sometimes called the AC filter, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. So to start with, you're going to need to open up the glove box. You may want to take out all of your supplies that are in the glove box so that you don't just actually dump them out. Okay, now on the right side there's a little tab, and that's just like the spring so that you can lower your so the glove box lowers and doesn't just fall down, right? And then you're just going to squeeze the glove box together. Yep, and this one's going to come completely up. So then right up in here is the cover, or there is a cover, and you have to just kind of pull that open. So this is the cover that you pull down, and then we've got the other cover that you squeeze and pull out, and now we get access to our filter, and we just pull that straight out, and we take our new filter. This has an arrow to say up. Sometimes it'll say the airflow, and it'll point an arrow where the airflow goes. So this one just says to go up. Also, we have an up on the cover plate here. So we'll do that. Snap those into place. And then next we gotta put the glove box back on. And if you squeeze it together again, then you just snap it up and put it into place. And so that's how you change your cabin air filter on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.